G'day folks, today we want to show you a fantastic analytical tool built into Junior called the QuantTracker. Now this is particularly helpful for high volume interview programs where you're looking to extract quantitative data as quickly as possible in an automated fashion. Think churn rates, NPS, market shares, growth rates, etc. Now, if you uploaded an interview guide during project setup, it will take that interview guide and have a first pass at creating the QuantTracker for you, or you can set one up from scratch, and we'll show you how. So head on over to the QuantTracker, and the default table that's been set up is here because this project has uploaded an interview guide for the competitor stream. You can press on the three dots, hit edit. You can go in and edit its first pass at the QuantTracker entirely, or what we'll show you now is how to create one from scratch. So what you want to do is hit the plus button at the top of your screen here. Create a name for your QuantTracker, so it can be customer satisfaction. At this point, you can link it to uploaded interview guides. There will be a little icon here if there is an IG uploaded. If there isn't, then there won't be one. If you select one, it will make sure that only quantitative data from that series of interviews is pulled into the QuantTracker. If you do not select a segment here, you can simply press create and it will include all interviews completed. So that might be customers, competitors, suppliers, etc. At this point, if you had selected an interview guide, that would have appeared on the left, which would allow you to automatically pull in. But I want to show you how to create one from scratch. So you can press add section and create the first one as satisfaction. Can't spell. Add a question and you can say, how satisfied are you with service X, question mark, and you expect a text answer. You can change that to number, list, percent, currency, or one of. I'm going to leave text and add another question. What NPS would you give your current solution? And that we want to do a number. You can press save to select that series of questioning. You can add another one, future spend intention, question mark, add question, how likely are you to decrease, increase, or keep your spend the same? And we expect that to be a percentage, for example. You can add another question that says, how much will you increase your spend by in the next 3 years? And we expect that to be, say, a number. Now you can save that. You can completely create a manual QuantTracker this way, and it will sift through all of the interviews that you've done and will use its semantic searching and the proprietary Junior engine in order to pull out the answers to all of these questions. So if we hit done, it will take a short amount of time to process those questions and answers for you. Make sure to hit refresh. I'm going to flip over to one that we cooked for you earlier. So if we head into the QuantTracker in this project, you can see many interviews were conducted. And in this case, we asked for questions like student count, the decision maker, who the current LMS provider is, why they would switch from the current provider, NPS score, etc. Now what you can do is you can head up to the three dots again, hit edit. In this case, you'll see that there was a customer interview guide and the user is able to tick the different questions in the interview guide. And the more you select, if they are quantitative, you can then import them directly into the QuantTracker on the right-hand side. Now, once that's done, you can hit done. This will automatically populate, and separately in another video, we'll show you how to review and edit everything in the QuantTracker and how to export it to use on your project. See you on that one.